Dear students, class 7 maths chapter 9 ratio and proportion. We'll start the new lesson now. To find the ratio, the learning objective we have to find the ratio and proportion of the numbers. Okay? First of all, what is ratio? The ratio is ratio of two numbers x and y, where y is not equal to 0, is written as x is to y. Okay? A ratio is a comparison between two quantities of same kinds. For example, 18 kg to 42 kg can be written as 18 is to 42 or 3 is to 7. Okay? A ratio is always expressed in simplest or lowest form. It has no limit, no units. Keep in mind, it has no units, means because we are comparing the two same quantities of the same unit, therefore unit cancelled. Example, one question here to answer or to understand. Convert 1 by 5 is to 1 by 20 in simplest form. So answer given below, 1 by 5 is to 1 by 20. You can write 1 by 5 into 20 by 1, therefore 4 is to 1. Proportion. Four numbers A, B, C, D are in proportion if A is to B is equal to C is to D, or A is to B is as C is to D. So we read A is to B as C is to D, or A by B is equal to C by D, where A and D you can call the extreme terms or extremes, and B and C are called means. Keep in mind, product of extremes is equal to product of means. That means if four numbers or four quantities you are taking, if you verify product of their extremes is equal to product of their means, then you can say they are in proportion. Example, one question to answer or to find x. If find x, if 10 is to 2 is equal to x is to 160. What is the value of x? Since 10 by 2, 10 is to 2 can be written as 10 by 2 is equal to x is to 160 can be written as 1x by 160. By cross multiplying you can find out 1600 is equal to 2x, or x is equal to 1600 by 2 or 800. Okay? Exercise question. Express first question 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 5 in simplest form. You can guess how to do. It is to take out the LCM of 2, 3 and 5. Then multiply the LCM and get the answer. Second question, the ratio of the girls to the boys in a school is, say, 7 is to 15. How many girls will be there if the number of boys is 1200? This question we'll discuss. Okay. Then next question, question number 3. The ratio of angles of a triangle is 3 is to 2 is to 1. Children, you know what is the sum of all the three angles of a triangle? How much? It is 180 degree. So it is given three angles are in the ratio 3 is to 2 is to 1. So let us take the three angles are 3x, 2x and x respectively. Sum of three angles what will find out? 3x plus 2x plus x. So 3x plus 2x plus x is equal to 180 degree. And simplify, find x, then find out all the 3x, 2x and x. And fourth question we have, which ratio is greater, 6 is to 7 or 4 is to 9. So question 2 and 4 will discuss in the next video. Just watch, it is worked out for you. It is given here, number of girls in a school is equal to, number of girls is to boys ratio is 7 is to 15. Let us take girls number are 7x and boys are 15x. Okay. Since it is given in the question, the number of boys in the school is 1200. Therefore, 15x is equal to 1200. X is equal to 1200 by 15 is equal to 80. So, number of girls is equal to, it is given 7x. So, 7 into 80 is 560. Therefore, number of girls in the school is 560. And the fourth question, which is greater, 6 is to 7 or 4 is to 9? For that, take out the LCM of 7 and 9. As you know, 7 and 9 LCM is 63. So, express 6 is to 7 is equal to, what you can write? 7 into 9, 63. So, therefore, 9 you multiply both antecedent and consequent. So, 6 into 9 is 54. 7 into 9 is 63. So, therefore, you got 54 by 63. Similarly, 4 is to 9. 9 you want to multiply by 7. So, that's 63. So, multiply by 7 to both. 7 into 4, 28. 7 into 9, 63. Therefore, you got 28 by 63. So, of this 54 by 63 is greater and 28 by 63 less smaller. Therefore, the first one, that is 6 is to 7 is greater. Okay. So, at the end, you understood the video given, some question given that you work out and learn, and also keep on touch with the chapter, pay attention regularly, take care of your health also, and read regularly. Do every day have some work. Okay, so if you like this video, you can share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.